ASTS stock gained 10.6% in the regular session of yesterday, the 18th of June 2025. The company disclosed that it has entered a strategic partnership with an Indian telecom service provider to expand mobile connectivity in the country, that is in India. So the stock touched a new 52-week high of $44.71. So the company which is building a broadband cellular telecom network in space, that is ASTS, said it will partner with VI or Vodafone Idea in the effort. So we have seen here the stock has more than doubled since this year. The underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. The stock has continued to print high highs, and our projections of 31.45 since been met. $35 have since been taken out. The stock has defied short sellers and has gone on to print this new 52-week highs, and even fresh highs are expected, going all the way towards beginning from Tuesday. The what am I talking about? As the days come, it's fresh new highs expected, going all the way towards the 10th of July. So yeah, going all the way towards Thursday, the 10th of July. In terms of upper projections or down projections, what do we have? We have 36.69. It's not an upper projection, it's a downward projection. So we'll move on and maybe glance at the weekly chart to see what is there. On the weekly chart, it seems we have a projection here. We have 43. No, it's a downward projection, 43.008. We have 47.33. It's an upper projection. Okay, so we will go with some of the projections we have seen here. We have initially we had 30. The projections have been met. Let's get them. 31.45 met. 35.00, and then we have here 43.08, and we have 47.33. Okay, we might see further upper projections. So it doesn't have enough data for any extrapolation. So we'll go and see what is obtainable on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart as well, fresh highs are also extrapolated, going all the way towards Friday the 27th of June. Do we have upper projections? We have, yes, we do have 49.22, 54.64, 57.98. Yeah, higher highs extrapolated, and upper projections also in place to support them. But these upper projections are equally resistances. If it breaks through 49.22, it makes the case for 54.64. If it breaks through 54.64, it makes the case for 57.98. Let's see what is available on the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, what do we have? We have some projections we have sort of seen already: 46.7, 49.71, 51.58. Okay, those sort of projections we already covered them. Um, they lie in between the ones we have listed now. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Yeah, the same sort of projections as well. 1-hour chart. Yeah, 40 is a downward projection we have here, 41.19. Any point trying to scan the single digit minute charts? No, they're not going to doubt if they're going to give us anything more radical than we have already seen. I, I really doubt. Yeah, no, we haven't seen anything yet. So we can come back and look at the daily chart and see. Let's see what we have here on the daily chart. Current price is 44.35. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's apply the market grid. So right here, it's trading outside of its price channel, indicating that maybe it may still have to come back, or it may come back. That's not a problem. We don't mind. It's natural and not out of place if it does so. So we will apply the market grid. It will just give us an indication, just give us an idea. No, this is not right. Market grid here. This okay. So it seems it's trading right inside of within the grid. Yeah, it is. No, it's outside of it. Yeah, for 4.35. Yeah, it's just like just as in this 4 hour chart here on Think or Swim. It is outside of the price channel of the market grid. So at the same, it could indicate that just as I mentioned earlier, that it might pull back, but at the same time as well, it's also demonstrating that strength is there. There's a bullish. It has a bullish stance. It could even go ahead and print higher highs. The algos are projecting high prices. Going all the way, as I mentioned, all the way towards Thursday, the 10th of July. So it could be anything. Let's see now. Let's see where it lies within the market grid on the 4 hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, it's within the market grid on the 4 hour chart. So on the 4 hour chart, you could make the case that strength is still there. You could still go ahead and print high prices as well, and the algos are equally doing that as well. They have the extrapolation of the three period moving averages for high prices going all the way towards Friday, the 27th of June. You know, no guarantee that that will be the case as well. So it's also trading in between the resistance zones and the support zones. So it could go either way. It could go either way. It could go down. It could go south. It could go north. The algos are saying it's north. Let's come back to the daily chart, and then we'll have a look at the price pressure momentum one to get an impression of what the momentum of the 10-day moving average is saying. So the angle of attack is strongly bullish. It's in a strong trend mode, 4.41. Anything from 0.25 is trend mode, so you can see it's way above 0.25. So the derivatives are all positive. However, the second derivative is at 0.9219, indicating that there's that momentum is cooling off. It is not as strong as yeah. There's some moderation in that momentum. Yeah, you can see here it's extrapolating a, a decline in the momentum. It doesn't mean that it won't continue to print higher prices. It's just that the momentum we have seen going all the way back to early June. We're not going to see that sort of momentum. It's not going to be the same. Yeah. So indeed, also, yeah, you can see the sort of extrapolation of the three-period moving averages, but it's not a steep angle of attack. It doesn't have a steep angle of attack. It's just you know consolidating at various points and then resuming. So the momentum is not going to be there. As a matter of fact, ultimately we may have a distributive contraction by the end of July. So let's see what it says on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, is everything is strongly in a strong trend mode. Yeah, here as well too. It's not projecting the sort of momentum we have seen going all the way back. Yeah, all the way back at least as of Monday. So Tuesday this week, where it showed some strength. So momentum wouldn't be as strong as it has been before. So which makes sense. So we have projections all the way towards 47.33, 49.22, 54.64, 57.98. No guarantee that those will print. So see what you make of ASTS, and thank you very much for watching this video.